Kate here with WTI, and I have to rave about these bed sheets for a minute. They're from ArthCrafted and they are incredibly soft and comfortable. They're made of Austrian eucalyptus. So this is the first time I've ever tried bedding with that material and I am sold. It is a super lightweight, breathable material. I don't overheat at all with this, but it's got this silky, smooth, satiny feel. They seriously feel so luxurious. I've washed these several times. They still look good as new. One thing I really like about them is the fitted sheet has an elastic on the corners, so it really does hold them in place. The top sheet is a very generous size. You have several feet at the end to be able to tuck it in, so I really appreciate that as well. It's a high quality sheet set. The stitching is really nice. The set comes with the sheets and 2 pillowcases, and then I also have 2 bonus pillowcases. You will honestly sleep so well in these sheets. I'm definitely a new fan of this material. I think it's really beautiful and luxurious, and that's my point of view.